This is a brand new 2013 Honda Accord Crosstour. This wagon has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated seats, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.